Okay, so it's been a while since I posted a video here. So today I decided to take you guys through a little, just 2 minutes of your time to take you through how I designed this simple but amazing flyer. Alright, so let's get started. As you already know, my videos are very simple. I don't spend much time in designing, so that you guys will get much time, or you get time to watch it. So first of all, let's create our Canva. You hit Ctrl+N. Yes, Ctrl+N as usual, as we used to do. So Ctrl+N, then you change from pixel to inches. From pixel to inches. Why you not coming? Hey, okay. So I used 6 by 8. 6 by 8. Okay, so it should be on landscape, not portrait. So it's going to be 8 by 6 inches. Then you hit on create. Right, so this is the Canva that I used. So first of all, as I don't want the video to be so much long, I'm going to take everything from here and I will place it here. Okay, it is very simple, not difficult. It's very simple. All right, so first of all, I brought in my picture, which is the model. So let's bring it here. So this is the picture that I used. I position it at the left, right. Okay, I position it at the left side. This is the left side. I position it here. Then also come back, then we create our background, which is also very simple. This is the background. It's not any background, just a layer. So let me teach you how I did this. Okay, so I just take the rectangle tool, then I drew a rectangle, simple as you are seeing here. Yes, so that is it. It's not difficult. And what we are going to do, I don't want these things to be disturbing us. Okay, so let's select everything and then lock it. Yes, so now we've locked it. Let's go back. Then we are going to write in him fashion. In him fashion. In him fashion. Okay, so let's change the text. Then I took the color of the text from the outfit of the model. This is AI generated image. Yes, so in him fashion. Yes, so I also decided to bring the fashion down and also increase the size of the in him. Yes, so I select it, then you come to, all right, before that the font I used was Poppins. I used Poppins. Yes, and then I changed it to bold. Sorry, I changed it to bold, so I use Poppins bold. So let's increase the size of the in him. So it increase it like this. Yes, something like this is okay. Then let's hit on V or Control T, so that we can increase the size of the text, as you are seeing. So let's reduce the space here. You see the space here is too much, so let's reduce it. You come here, then that is the leading. Then let's reduce the leading. Let's reduce it. Okay, bit by bit. Take your time and reduce it depending on your machine. My machine, I've been using it since morning, so it's running quite a bit slow. So it depends on the kind of machine that you are using. Yes, so as you see, I think something like this is okay. Yes, something like this is okay. All right, so let's increase it a little bit. Let's increase it to the right side too. All right, so we are done with the background, and then the name of the fashion store. This is in him fashion. So what is left now is bringing these images. So I don't want to go back. So what I'm going to do is I'll just select everything here, group them, and then let me see. Okay, so that is it. So I'll bring them here, then I'll place them here. Okay, so let's select the group, and let's bring it down. Okay, all right, so I think something like this is okay. So how I did this, you just go online, you download your pictures, then you do just clipping marks. Okay, this is one of the pictures. Let me use this one of the pictures. You just do clipping marks. So this is how the picture was. Then I drew a rectangle down there, then I brought the picture on the rectangle, and also I hit alt. You hit alt till you see in between the two layers the cursor is changing and it's showing some pointing arrow down. When you click on it, then it's going to be clipped inside. So after clipping, I also gave the layer, the rectangle I drew, I gave it a stroke of 15. Yeah, a stroke of 15. So when I take away the stroke, you see before and then after, I give it a stroke of 15. This is the after of it. Yes, and last what we are going to finish it is, we drew this. I didn't want to use any other colors. I could have used the green, but it is not going to blend well for me, so I decided to go by using only two colors, or yeah, three colors, which is white, this yellow, and that red. Yeah, so that are the colors that I used. So I also drew a rectangle, under it a rectangle like this, and come to fill, then I chose the color that I was using for it. Okay, so let's position this well, something like this is okay. Then we bring in the text. So this is the text. Let's select it and then let's send it here. We bring in the text. Okay, so you position it well at the center. If you want to position it at the center, you just select the text and also select the rectangle. Then you come here, you see this is the center, you click on it and it's going to be centered for you. So you center it here and you will center it from this place too. All right, so the last thing we are going to do is bringing in the number, the telephone. So you just pick it and you also bring it here, then you release your hands, you also position it well, something like this is cool. Yes, we can shift this top bit, yeah, so that we will get a space. So the space at the top and then the down, it should be the same. So you can select everything and then push it at the top, or push it to the top. Yeah, push it to the top so that you will get the space between the two. So this is how I did it, very simple. Okay, so the font I used here was also the same Poppins, but this time around I use semi-bold, not bold, semi-bold, and also the number 2 I use bold, the same Poppins, and this is the size of it. Yes, so this is how I generated this simple and easy to create. Yes, easy to create. All right, so keep subscribing, keep following on TikTok. If you want more videos, you go to YouTube at Techies. You'll get a whole lot of videos on graphic design, then you start learning. If you're also looking forward to become a graphic designer, I'm also recommending Techies Africa for you. We are doing a training. We train a whole lot of people. Our our February cohort is coming on, which is 15th of February 2025. So don't waste much time. Keep on subscribing and also hit up the notification bell. Also leave a comment if you want to join the bootcamp which is coming off. Thank you. See you. Peace out.